I'm out here with the Hobbywing 16890A, running the King Val 2845 sized motor. It's 5900 kV. Last time out here on 2S, it went nearly 35 miles an hour, and on 3S, it went 52 miles an hour. It was very unstable on the larger tires I ran, however. So I did some tweaks to the suspension. I lowered the front end a little bit. I stiffened up the suspension and put in heavier weight shock oil. So hopefully it's more stable. I'm guessing it's gonna go about 40 miles an hour on 2S now and close to 60 miles an hour on 3S. With my luck, it'll be 59, but we'll see what happens. So here are the 3 lipos I'm running today. I have the Urgenix 2S, the stock 2S battery, and a Tattoo 3S 850 mAh battery. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, I'm gonna run the stock 2S battery. Get this thing buttoned up. The GPS is cleared out and reading. Can we get 40 miles an hour on a 2S Hobbywing 16890A truck? Just easing into the throttle so it doesn't do a backflip or anything crazy. There we go, 40.5 miles an hour on 2S. I'm gonna go ahead and see how hot the ESC is. I can't imagine it's very warm, but can't hurt to check it. ESC is barely warm. The motor is barely warm. And next up, I'll throw the Urgenix battery in here. Now I have the Urgenix 2S LiPo in here. Something's wrong here. Darn. Well, I knew I should have used Loctite, but I just put these on this morning and I thought I had them snugged up good, but we did not reach top speed. And I hope I can find the wheel nut because it's specialized and I do not have an extra one. Okay, this is probably an incredibly stupid idea. I don't have a wrench with me. I just finger tightened down this black nut that came off, and I'm gonna do a 3S run. It's like 10 minutes each way by bike back to my house, and I'm hoping I can just get one quick run in and call it quits for today, but I'm gonna end up losing a part and hate myself for doing this. But next up is the Tattoo 3S LiPo. Okay, the GPS is zeroed out and reading.
The chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank nor a funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and
well, the tire stayed on, but it's just got so much power. It was still accelerating hard and it hit 48, so damn, I don't know. Well, this is loose, so I gotta call it quits. Not good. Well, that's gonna be it for today. All right, I'm gonna have to teach myself how to drive this thing better. What's happening is I have the punch turned all the way down on the Hobbywing ESC, which helps at lower speeds. When I'm getting up around 45 or 50 miles an hour, I think it's feeding in full power and it's just, you know, doing a backflip and wrecking. So next time out, I'm gonna try to take it to a long speed run spot, get it up to 30 or 40 miles an hour, and then slowly feed in the throttle. And hopefully I can keep it on the ground if I just ease into it. It's a completely different way of driving that's required versus my Traxxas Bandit. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna give it one more shot. I really don't want to risk ruining these Gone Bananas speedrun tires because they're really nice, and I want to save them for when I get the Traxxas Bandit back out. But this should reach close to 60 miles an hour with these tires on. It hit 40 today at 2S. It's been going about 18 miles an hour faster at 3S. So that would put us maybe 58. We'll see what happens, but I'll give it one more shot tomorrow morning on a longer road.